This fluid, which looks like glue, is actually the raw material for lollipops produced by the factory. Share this with your friends who love candy. Let's see how lollipops are made. First, white sugar is melted to form the syrup we saw at the beginning. It is then poured into a stainless steel tray and processed while still hot. A little white sugar is added first to create a base color, and after mixing evenly, the remaining part gets added with orange-red food coloring. It needs to be kneaded continuously, originally at about 100 degrees Celsius. Will slowly cool to room temperature and will transform from liquid to solid, making the processing increasingly difficult. After coloring, the sugar paste is placed into a square mold, and through pressure, the mold is filled. When taken out, it forms a square block of sugar paste. At the same time, another worker takes out the uncolored sugar paste, removes half of it, using a robotic arm. The sugar paste is pulled. The originally light yellow sugar paste turns into white. The sugar paste is taken out in portions, pulled into long strips, and placed on the remaining uncolored sugar paste. It is completely wrapped around, with the gap in the middle rolled tightly. Then, some of the white, stringy sugar paste is wrapped around again, pulled into long strips, and cut into 8 equal lengths. Each piece is placed into a mold, forming triangular shapes. Syrup is brushed onto the surface to increase stickiness. Then the remaining white, stringy sugar paste and orange-colored sugar paste are used to cover the shapes, kneaded tightly, and then placed into a machine to assist with stretching. The machine gradually narrows from left to right, the size of a rolling pin. The long strip is then placed into a cutting machine. It's like magic happening right before your eyes. The lollipops are ready for packaging and shipping.